Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I haven't posted a video in a while. I haven't made one in a while. Been a little bit busy dealing with some stuff, but now I'm all free. I can then crack on and make another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Discord server. The absolute basics that you need to know. Alright, from creating it to making some roles, adding some channels, and in the rest of the series that I will be posting at later dates, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I'll be showing you how to set up a Discord server, from adding bots to adding notifications to adding specific roles, to adding everything else. Okay, so yeah, but in today's video it's just going to be the absolute basics of setting up a Discord channel. Now, before I start with the video, if you would like to have a look at my Discord, link for that can be found in the description below. Be sure to go and check it out and tell me what you think. And I do also stream on Twitch. Now at the moment it's every day, but I am thinking about changing that to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I will leave, you'll find it in the description below. Yeah, you'll find it in the description below. You see it there now. It's there. You scroll down and you find it. Well, that's where it is. You'll know when I'm streaming then. That's why I put it in the description below, so you know. Alright, I'm kind of like this. I give you the information that you need. Alright? So yeah, without further ado, let's go in and start creating our very own Discord server. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the absolute basics of setting up a Discord server. Now it's really easy to do. There really is nothing to it. Okay, it's really simple to do, but for those of you who are brand new to Discord, you may look at it and think, oh, that's very complex. Don't. It's very simple, okay? I'm going to walk you through it. But before we start the video, if you do like this video, found it informative or educational, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, tick that bell, so you know every time I upload a new video. Very good thing to do. Helps channel. And also, just put some emojis in the comments. Helps with engagement. Well done. Thank you. Right. So, here we are on Discord right now. What you want to do is you want to click this little plus button here. Alright? And that will bring this one up. So you want to say, so you can start from a template if you want, a study group, school club, gaming. We're going to start with create your own. Okay? You can do for club or community or me and my friends. We're going to go for me and my friends right now. Alright? And you name it. I'm going to name this test server. If I can spell. Can't spell. There we go. Test server. We're not going to worry about an image right now because it's purely for tutorial purposes. Or we could name it tutorial server. Yeah, that seems more like it. Tutorial server. Now you press create, and this is your Discord server. It gives you 2 channels by default, a voice channel and a text channel. For now, this is just going to be like, we're going to leave that there. We're going to leave it there. But the first thing that I think any Discord server needs to know is the welcome and the rules. Alright, so we're going to create a brand new category, and to do that, you go where the channels are, you right click, you go down to create category, and that will bring this up. So we're going to name this welcome / rules. Yeah, rules. Welcome / rules. Oh no, just call it welcome. Just keep it simple. Welcome. And you create category. I want to move that to the top. I want this to be the very first category that people see, and the only category that people see until you verify yourself. So to create a channel on this, because you see at the moment there's no channels. To create a channel, you click on this little plus button here that says create channel. You want to make sure it's a text channel, and we're going to call this one welcome. I can barely see my keyboard. There we go. Welcome. We're going to call that welcome. And this is where everything's going to welcome. Okay, this is where every single person that enters your Discord server is going to have a welcome message. Now you can customize this with different bots. You can even take the message off and just put a little banner there, so like a welcome sort of banner, if you will. Or you can just leave as it is. It's completely up to you. You know, this is your server. You can customize it how you want. And the next channel that we want is rules. So we're going to click on this plus icon again, and we're going to call this one rules. And this is your rules channel. Now again, this is where you put the rules. The welcome and rules channel, you want to make sure that no one can send any messages. Alright? And there are ways that you can do that. So you click on the category here, it says welcome. you go down to edit category, and you go to position permissions. Now, everyone, this is the one that you want, okay? Everyone. Can you view the channels? Yes. Can you manage channels? No. No invite, no messages, no threads, no links, no files. You can add reactions. That's it. Alright? No external emojis, no roles, no messages, threads. Read message history. That's very important. If you don't have that, they won't see nothing. So make sure that read message history is on. And the rest of it is just no. Just go through this a bit quick and just do all this. Nope. And save. So, when someone enters for the very first time, that is the only thing they will see. That. Okay, that's it. That's all they will see. That. Just that. Okay? And what you then want to do is, if you want to go for this, be a lot more secure, okay? Because at the moment, they can view the channels, but they can't do this, alright? What you want to do next, because at the moment, if you leave it like that, they see every single channel. Okay, you don't want that. So what you do is you go up to where it says tutorial server, the name of your server, press a little down arrow, you go down to server settings, you go to roles, and you go to everyone. Now at the moment there are no roles here. In a minute we will be creating some roles just to get you started. Okay, so everyone, you say no to channels, no invite, no nickname, send messages, no. Everything's pretty much no. Everything is no. Everything. You put no to everything. Even read message history. Okay? And I tell you why. So now, by default, when you enter the server for the very first time, the role you will be giving is at everyone. Okay? And what this means now is they will not be able to see anything unless the categories that you have given them explicit permission to see. Okay? So the welcome operator, okay? So they can view the channel, they can read the message history, and they can add reactions. That's it. They will not be able to see any other channel on the server until they complete the verification, which you can do in the rules, okay? Now at the moment it's just the basic. I will be showing you how to add the basic sort of rules and welcome stuff in the next video, so stay tuned for that. What we're going to go ahead now is we're going to just go and add a few text channels, just a few. We've got general there. I'm going to edit that. I don't like the word general, okay? I'm going to call it chat. We're going to add another one now, the plus icon here, and we're going to keep it as a text, and we're going to call this, what are we going to call this? Let's say, self-promotion. I personally, if you're a streamer, I do like to have a self-promotion page in my server where people can go and promote their own content. I don't like it done in my stream, but in the Discord, I've got no problem at all. There is a specific channel for this on my Discord. You can see it in the rules. Please read the rules before you actually agree to it, because it will tell you everything you need to know about the channel, where you can go, what you can do, and so on and so forth. Self-promotion. I'm going to have that one there. We're going to leave 2 for now, okay? For the voice channels, we're going to do something quite special for this, okay? I do have a few voice channels. I don't have any voice channels for a good reason, but I will be adding some soon, alright? What we're going to do is we're going to add voice channels. We're going to right-click on voice channels in the category. We're going to come down to edit category. And what we're going to do is the overview. We're going to call that one AFK. I think it's very important that every server has an AFK server in there, a channel in the category in there. Very important. We're then going to name that one edit channel. We're going to name that one AFK. Save changes. Now, to actually mark that as an AFK channel, you need to go onto server settings. So we're going to go to server settings, and this is where we are. So, the inactive channel automatically move members to this channel and mute them while they are idle for longer than inactive timeout zone. Yep. So what you want to do, so send a random welcome message when someone joins server. Yes. Prompt members to reply to a welcome message with a sticker. Nope. Send a message when someone boosts the server. Yep. Send helpful tips to the server. No. And this is the system message channel. So when someone joins, they will send a message. Now, you don't want it then sent to chat. It's very important. You do not want that message sent in the chat. We've got a specific one that's out, and it's welcome channel. So we're going to go on there, and we're going to click welcome. Right, that one there. Look. Click on that. And now, every time someone joins the server, the server will automatically send a message in the welcome channel. Okay, which means anyone that joins will get a message there, so you know who's joined the server. The inactive channel, you want to make sure that's the AFK. Inactive time, I always put it about 30 minutes. I think that's a good amount of time to do it. Once you've done that, you can then just press save changes. Alright? And that's that bit done. That is the absolute basics of a server right there. Alright? For now, that's everything you need to know. There will be a video in the future showing you how to add bots to your server to make it mostly automated. I very rarely do anything on my server because it's mostly automated. And if you are a streamer and you want to promote other streamers by letting your community on Discord know that, you know, maybe they're live or you're live, there is another bot that you can do that too. There are loads of bots that you can use. I'm going to walk you through each and every one of them, or the ones that I use anyway, on the next video. But that's the absolute basics. That's the basic way to set up your Discord server, the fast way. It's really quite simple. Of course, you can be extremely experimental. You can do whatever you want to do. You can look on other Discord servers for inspiration. You can go on the internet for inspiration. There's so many things that you can do, and you really can just customize it to your heart's content. Okay? But yeah, look, that's the absolute basics of a Discord server right there. That's the first bit. Alright, the second bit will be adding bots. And I'm going to go ahead and just do a few things and make sure everything is done for you and make sure I cover pretty much everything. Okay? But yeah. Guys, look, I hope I hope this video helped you in some way. If you found it informative or educational, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, tick that bell. And if you're wondering why I keep pausing and stuttering, it's because I haven't made a video in a while. I've got to get used to this again. Okay, I've got to get used to this. You've got to give me a chance. Give me a chance! But that's the basics. Okay? Guys, look, I hope this video helped you. I really do. If you have any questions about this video or any other video on my channel, feel free to pop into my Twitch chat. I do stream pretty much every day. Link for that can be found in the description below. Or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whichever one you see. Whichever one you see is correct, okay? Don't bust my balls for this. It's correct. I don't know what I'm streaming these days. I've got to change these things. Streaming every day has destroyed me. I need to be able to rest and relax and, chill. It's nice to chill every now and again. But yeah. Again, link for my Twitch can be found in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for coming. And I will see you again soon. Ta-da.